Hey guys, in this video we're going to review the best practices for the X Tub in the Lux filtration system. First of all, congratulations, you have the best cold plunge system in the market. Now, here's some important tips on how to take care of it. Make sure to keep it clean. Make sure to have the water circulating throughout the tub 24/7. This is how you keep your cold plunge water clean, by having it constantly circulating through the filtration system. My recommendation is to keep the chiller on 24/7 as well. This way the water continues to stay within the 5-degree variance. Trust me, if you do any type of schedule or you're trying to let the water not cool overnight, things like that, you're only messing with the efficiency of the system. I keep mine 24/7 powered on. In this video we're going to talk about the airflow for the chiller. On the side of the Lux filtration system you have vents. Make sure they're in the horizontal open position. It is very important. This way the air is flowing through the Lux filtration system as the chiller cools it down. This will increase your efficiency right away, and it's actually required in order for your chiller to continue to work reliably for a very long time. As you can see, my system's outside, so it's raining on top of it, and it's totally fine, but I keep everything very clean. So as soon as the rain will stop, I will dry everything off and keep it clean and dry. Other than that, this system is pretty much plug and play and hands off once you have everything working. So this is my system right here. The water circulating.